da, 50 kuna ti je sve.
Well, today's another locally inspired dish, and here in Split in Croatia, one thing that's definitely very traditional, I guess, is potatoes with blitva. The reason I'm doing this today is because I've seen this blitva everywhere. I mean, I'm not normally a big fan of spinach or, to be honest, like that many leafy greens, but cooked this way, it's definitely my style of eating greens. After seeing blitva and potatoes everywhere throughout the markets here in Split and on menus and pretty much all throughout Croatia, I thought it was definitely time to give it a go, bring some home and do something with it. So today I'm going to be cooking blitva with potatoes, garlic, olive oil and a bit of parsley in there as well. Blitva with potatoes, a locally inspired dish from our time in Split in Croatia. Buy all your goods.
Manji kod.
No musi ne iz dole, ali... So I've got my blitva, parsley, potatoes, olive oil and some garlic ready to go.
Peel your potatoes. Chop. Wash. Slice. Wash. Slice. Chop. Put potatoes into boiling water.
I've just got 2 pots here just because I didn't want to overfill them, but in go the potatoes.
Boil. Drain into a hot pan with olive oil and garlic.
In goes all the garlic.
Let them fry for a few minutes, add the blitva to the top and put a lid on it.
Give it another little stir around. In goes the blitva. The blitva, sorry. Dash more olive oil. Lid on.
And break down a chicken. Roast chicken that we just bought from the local Queensland, just a supermarket, so it's really easy just to get a chicken and just do a quick side dish like this, and it's definitely a locally inspired dish, that's for sure, and yeah, it's a really good lunch. So there you have it, you got some lovely blitva here and potatoes, and this is going to be perfect. I've just got some chicken that I've just cut up over there and it's going to be a great lunch. So there you have it. So that was my blitva and potatoes cooked with some olive oil, garlic, parsley, and yeah, no, it's a beautiful locally inspired dish from my time in Croatia, my time in Split in particular, seeing all the blitva potatoes at all the markets and all the supermarkets, and everywhere you go there's always blitva on a menu or to be seen. So definitely thought it was time to give it a go, and I love it. I've been cooking this blitva and potatoes quite a lot in my time in Split, and it's beautiful. Definitely should give it a go for yourself.